Yeah, look at that. I done bought another square body. All right, so the other day I was driving down the road. I was actually headed out for vacation, so I was in a rush, but I saw this on the side of the road, so I stopped in, asked them if it was for sale, and they said sure. So I looked at it, I looked it over, I was like, man, this thing's clean. There's no rust in all the normal spots. I checked underneath it. It's got a pretty straight body. So I was all about it, man. I was like, this is great. What the heck, man? I mean, this thing's straight, dude. Oh wait, there's a little whiskey dent right there. We'll be able to fix this. You know, that'll come out. So man, I thought I was getting a good deal. I was like, heck yeah, man, I'm taking this thing home. So I paid for it, left, and we went and picked it up today. I was looking at it, man, I was like, looked it up. I turned around and I did not look at the roof. What in the crap happened here? I mean, I've never seen one rust right there. Somebody tried to cover it up. It was just my fault. I didn't look at it, you know, so I got a rusted roof on a truck. But besides that, there's no rust on the inside. Underneath the hood looks good. Everything looks good, man. So we got a 79 square body. Now what to do with it?